I loved solo leveling. I thought it was great. Simple, fun, leveling up character. So good. So we're going to draw Sun JinWoo again. Found this kind of cool, just intense looking Shadow Monarch image of him. Like he looks like he means business in this one. So let's draw a portrait of him. Landscape page. This would work portrait, of course, as well on portrait paper. I just do it landscape because YouTube is landscape and I can fit more in. Just use that real estate, you know, on the screen. So let's start with his eyes. Very small, serious eyes, right? And we're going to make him look real intense, right? So spiky at the front. And then we go back that way. And we got a sharp corner. So everything's like sharp with Sun JinWoo. You know, his design is like everything's sharp and spiky. And then we go around here, up just into there. And it kind of stops there. So I'm going to like shadow up his eyelid line. So you just want to make it darker, heavier up here just to show it more like eyelashes. And he has a big spike coming off this side. Just makes him look more hardcore. Okay. And then iris and pupil. So a half circle, kind of like a Dragon Ball character, you know. And then down underneath for the pupil as well, black in there. So then we have an eyelid line across the top and an eyebrow, very straight, sharp eyebrow as well. And we do need to add a little space so we can color. So an extra little line just there. And real thin at the back. Now we're going to go over and do his other eye. You're about eye width over, but it's not really from the eyelashes. It's like the white of his eye. So this space fits in between two of the eyes, right? So like here to here will bring you roughly to where the next eye starts. So you want to go like, say there. So you can roughly fit the white of his eye in between these spots. It's just because his eyelashes are so big. If you did this, you would be starting like in here, like it's really big, see? So you want like the white part. Boom. Okay. Because we're slightly out of proportion because of his eyelashes. So then go across again. And then there's a spike here. And then we'll bring it across this way, very flat. Okay, so darken up this eyelash area again. Just thicken it up. And add that spike off the corner. And there's a little line coming off there as well. And then we'll do the eye half circle. Like that again. And then pupil, just black in under there. It's a very very intense looking eyes. So his eyelid line then. And then another sharp eyebrow. And then we thicken it up. Okay, so his nose, so their nose is weird, right? So they just do like 2 lines, right? So it's, I tried to give him nostrils once and it just didn't look like him. So they just do this. And then they like kind of shadow up the side of the bridge of his nose. They put shadow there. So his mouth is very flat. Downturned kind of. So when you downturn the corners of the mouth, it really makes them look not happy with you. And then just a bottom lip sort of line there. And then a real pointy chin on him. Like that. Now, jaw. So he does have kind of like a long jaw as well. So like up to his nose, kind of. Like that, right? Everything is kind of long and sharp and, you know, lean, I guess. And then it turns here about nose level. The jaw will turn. You know, you start to turn up towards the corner of his eye. So you don't want your angle to keep going that way. You want it to turn and go up past the corners of his eye here. Right, so just beside his eye. And that's when we start to get hair. So lots of fringe hair spikes. So we'll do this. And again, you want to try and leave them a bit sharp at the top. Because the Shadow Monarch is sharp as it gets. Right? And then we'll start going across his head. And then out here. And you're just going all the way across. And there's like a part in his hair on this side, right? So he's got a little sort of zigzag line. Just there. And then this curves up and down to another hair spike. And then this one seems to go over the ear. Right, so we can see like his ear in here and then an ear there. So about the same level. So the earlobe there. And there's some ear lines. So he looks like he has a scar on his face or a cut, so I'm going to give him that. More hair. So his hair is all sort of wavy, and it's kind of like going this way, right? So say on this side. So kind of like curves around. Right. And then down here. What way does that go? Underneath then. Okay. All right, so then a long neck carving, and then neck muscles here. And then his hoodie sort of goes this way. That's like, yeah, and then the hoodie comes out this way over here. Just sort of sitting on his, so there's like hoodie lines blowing in the wind, kind of. So then if there's wind, it's probably going that way. So there'd be like debris and stuff in the air. So JinWoo, looking intense. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.